This is a silicon rubber mold. There are 3 layers of rubber, a layer of nylon mesh, and 3 more layers of rubber. The different colors of rubber that you see indicate which layer the mold makers are at. This is the reverse image of Lou Gehrig's face in this mold right here. The small red areas are where the seams of the mold, small pinholes, and areas where the wax may have been poured just a little thin. These sculptures are hundreds of pounds, and so the foundry uses a winch to move them. Exact measurements were made on location of where Babe and Lou were going to be installed. Lou Gehrig was considered the Iron Man. He played in a record 2,130 games. That's a record that stood for 56 years until 1995, when it was broken by Cal Ripken. When the patina is created, that's a layering of several chemicals. Here, Kike is applying the potassium sulfide or liver sulfur and then rubbing it back. This gives a depth to the piece. Creating the mold and then fabricating them into bronze using the lost wax method took approximately 6 months. Some fun facts about this sculpture and these men. If you'll notice, Babe Ruth liked his jersey to come down just to his elbow, whereas Lou Gehrig liked his sleeves to come down a little bit past his elbow. On the plane to Texas to go to Waco, I sculpted this on the plane and was able to give this as a gift to Chip Gaines.